Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Average Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of Average Science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding books with null ratings. The difficulty level of this question is easy, and I am going to share the SQL schema as well as the Panda schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called books with 5 different columns: book ID, title, author, published year, and rating. Book ID is the unique key for this table. Each row of this table contains information about a book, including its unique ID, title, author, publication year, and rating. Rating can be null, indicating that the book has not been rated yet. Okay, we are asked to write a solution to find all books that has not been rated yet, that is, they have a null rating. Return the result table ordered by book ID in ascending order. Okay, let's go through this example. Here we have 6 different book IDs, their different titles, author, published year, and their rating. So in this, what we need is all those books that have not been rated yet. That means rating is equal to null, and we need to return the first 4 columns. So book ID 2, 4, and 6 are the ones who have not been rated yet, and that is what we have in the output. So not a difficult question. What we can do in this case is from this table, right? So from this table called books, we need to keep only those rows where this column rating is null. So rating is null, and then we need to return the first 4 columns. That means we need to return the book ID, then we need to return the title, then we also need the author column, and finally we need the published year. So published year, and the question says we need the output ordered by book ID in ascending order. So order by book ID in ascending order. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this says accepted. If we look at our output, if I just drag it to the left, so our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit this to pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted, and this is how to do it. So not a difficult question. What we basically did was, this is very straightforward. We kept only those rows where the rating column was null, because we need those books who have not been rated yet, and then we returned the desired columns and ordered the result in ascending order by book ID. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.